Hey Zoho CRM users! Ever get frustrated when your files are scattered everywhere? Contracts and attachments, proposals and email threads, folders created manually, and your team wasting time switching between Zoho CRM and WorkDrive just to find one document? With WorkDrive for Zoho CRM, you can manage your WorkDrive files directly inside Zoho CRM. No more jumping between apps, no more manual folder confusion. No more messy file management. With this extension, you can automatically create organized WorkDrive folders for your CRM records, including accounts, contacts, deals, campaigns, and even custom modules. So every customer, deal, or project can have its own clean folder structure from the beginning. Need to upload files? You can upload documents directly from the CRM record. Need to check a file quickly? Preview PDFs, images, and supported documents without leaving Zoho CRM. Want to manage files? Rename, delete, download, open, and share WorkDrive files right from the CRM interface. And if your CRM already has old attachments, you can sync those attachments into WorkDrive. So why manage files manually when Zoho CRM and WorkDrive can work together? Install WorkDrive for Zoho CRM from the Zoho Marketplace today and start managing your CRM files the smarter way.